Now let us see and convert the effect of geometric tolerances. Let us see with this example. So suppose this is the assembly component number 1 and 2, and we are interested in calculating this gap over there. We are interested in calculating radial gap over there. So loop diagram, how to prepare loop diagram, all we know that, right? So this is the hole over there in which this component is going, right? We consider this axis is aligned. We come down from for that is A for us. We go up, that is B for us, AB, right? In this way we can calculate this gap. Now that is there, but if you see these diameters are subjected to position tolerance and all, right? So we have to consider these effect into that to calculate the worst case gap over there, because that is going to affect that. So how to do that, let us discuss, right? This is a whole diameter, right? So what we are going to calculate, we are going to calculate virtual condition for that. What is virtual condition for a hole? MMC plus GTOL, MMC plus geometric tolerance over there. What is MMC size for this? It will be 2.045, right? That is the MMC size, minus geometric tolerance 002, that will be 2.043. Now what is resultant condition? LMC size plus GTOL plus bonus. So we can calculate that. What is LMC size? 2.055 plus GTOL is 0.002 plus bonus tolerance will be plus or minus 0.005. Difference between MMC and LMC is the bonus, right? So we can calculate that, and that will be 0.01. So that is the resultant condition. So what will be that? 0.05767. So 2.067. Now we calculated that value. So 2.043 plus 2.067 divided by 2, that will be the mean value. What is that? Let us calculate. So 2.043 plus 2.067 divided by 2, that is 2.055. So 2.055 is that value, and then difference between these two, 2.067 minus 2.043 divided by 2. So 2.067 minus 2.043 divided by 2 is 0.012. So equal to 0.012. So that value we got, right? In this way we calculated it, virtual condition and resultant condition, and we got these values. So what we are going to do over here, we will eliminate this and we will consider instead of that the dimension is 2.055 plus or minus 0.012, and we will consider this into tolerance stack up analysis. Now let us see for this one how to calculate that. So let us see for that. We will calculate it for external feature now. So how to do that? What is virtual condition for external feature is MMC plus GTOL. So what will be that? MMC size for this, MMC size for the external feature is 2.005. 2.005 plus 0.002, that will be equal to 2.007. That is MMC condition. What is that is virtual condition, and what is resultant condition at LMC? So LMC minus geometric tolerance minus bonus. So what will be that? LMC size will be this, 1.995 minus 0.002 minus 0.01. So what will be that? That will be 3 and then 1, 1.983 1.983. This will be the RC value. So virtual condition plus resultant condition divided by 2, that will be equal to 2.007 plus 1.983 equal to divided by 2, that is 1.995. so 1.995 is that. If we calculate the tolerance will be coming 0.012 plus or minus. So this we are going to consider into tolerance stack up analysis. So we remove this, and instead of that we are going to use what? 1.995 plus or minus 0.012. that will be our value that we consider into tolerance stack up analysis. Let us prepare the stack up table now. We have already discussed how we are going to prepare loop for this, so we are aware about that. Now let us prepare stack up table for that. So how we are going to do that? Stack up table A, B, plus, minus, and tolerances, right? We are doing radial analysis, so we will be dividing it by 2. So first this one 2.055 divided by 2, and then 0.012 divided by 2. Then here negative value will be 1.995 divided by 2, and then 0.012 divided by 2. In this way we can sum them up over there, that is positive value, that is negative value, sum them up, and sum the tolerances as well, that will be 0.012. so in this way we subtract that, we get the gap and plus or minus tolerance. So that will be the radial gap with the effect of geometric tolerances. In this way we can calculate and we can consider the effect of geometric tolerances over there. Now there are a couple of examples over here. See this particular part, right? What you have to do, this is for the practice. So what you have to do, you have to convert it into equal bilateral system. First you have to consider its replacement into single value, its replacement into single value. Then you need to calculate this. You need to calculate this gap. What is the formula for virtual condition of external feature? MMC plus geometric tolerance, and resultant condition at extreme dimension, that is LMC minus geometric tolerance minus bonus. How to calculate the bonus? Bonus is difference between LMC size and MMC size, right? So in that way we can calculate the bonus tolerances. So that is the formula. Convert that both into one and prepare the loop. Loop would be easy, right? I am interested in this gap. I will go up and I will go down and closing the loop A and B. In this way we can prepare the loop diagram. So please go ahead and calculate this. You can share this me on WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp number, and I will provide you feedback, or you can email me as well. I will provide you feedback for this, right? So you can always do that thing, calculate with this, right? You can WhatsApp me on +91 972 4543 888, right? That you can do, or you can write me on bipin.singh@somec.com, right? And there is another example. This one also you can do. In this you will calculating IB and OB, right? And find out the effective dimension and calculate this gap over here, right? So please do these two examples. Share me your answers, your loop diagram. We will discuss that. I will provide you my feedback. So that is the thing. You can always enroll to this live sessions, right? You can always enroll to that. You can send me a mail, I will enroll you. You can discuss always your queries with me. So this is all I wanted to share in tolerance stack up analysis. So this is all I wanted to share in tolerance stack-up analysis. You can always connect with me on my mail ID, on my WhatsApp number. You can always dial me anytime for your queries and question. I am always available to help you. Thank you everyone for taking this subscription. I hope this is useful to you, and please do provide your ratings to me, your provide your feedbacks to me. That will help me to improve these courses and all. Thank